We're going to create a very quick diagram using TalkType, the speech-to-text solution. It works really well with inspiration, so let's jump straight in. So you can see here there's a little box with a microphone in it. All you have to do is click that microphone and it turns it on. So if we go into our diagram view map, you'll see we're on our main idea, and when we're in there, if it's switched on, which it will be in a moment, anything I say while in that bubble is going to come out in typed out text. So let's get going. I'll first switch it on and then rapid fire. Seasons. Spring. Summer. Autumn. Winter. You can also write a note with it. And it's very easy to write a lot of text in here. You can just go on and it will capture it very easily. And that's how to use TalkType. Then you just use all your regular tools as usual. It's very easy and it's very user-friendly. Here we go. I'll just finish this up. We'll neaten it all up using the Arrange tool. Then we'll add a theme. And that's it. We've just created a very quick diagram using TalkType, which is great when you're not comfortable with typing.